to OI-1. The civil infraction cases have a long case number. I'm not sure why. It's in the matter of Cole Aaron Summey. That's you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Summey got a ticket on April 27th, Chicago Road in Ottawa for disobeying a traffic signal. The ticket says he went through a solid red light. There was an informal hearing with the magistrate earlier, and the defendant appealed that and asked for a formal hearing. That's in front of the judge. He posted a bond, and the matter is set for trial this morning. Mr. Timothy Reed, the Sturgis City Attorney, is present, as well as Officer Dylan Ware of the Sturgis Police Department, who issued the citation. The fine, I believe, was $120. The defendant did post bond in that amount. The plaintiff filed a jurat earlier this week, formally charging this as disobeying a traffic signal. Good morning, Mr. Reed.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What's the people's position here?
I guess if the defendant still wishes for the hearing, we're prepared to move forward with the hearing.
Is that what you wish, Mr. Summey?
I would just would like to see if there's any options as far as me getting a fine and not having to get the points on my license and stuff like that, because I wasn't expecting for me to be broadly punished for this citation, because if I had not stopped at the red light and I had just gone through it and almost hit somebody, I'm getting the same charge and the same amount of points, and there's no degree to it like speeding or anything like that. So,
well, the traffic code, the Michigan Motor Vehicle Code, has a schedule of crimes and civil infractions, and there are points assigned to each offense and fines by fee schedule. This is a civil infraction. It's not a crime. You don't get convicted of guilty of a civil infraction. You're found responsible or not responsible. You can't go to jail for a civil infraction. And the burden of proof is lower. In a criminal case, you have to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. In a civil infraction case, you only have to prove guilt beyond a preponderance, which is 51% to 49%. So it's a lower burden of proof. It's not a crime. You can't go to jail. You've already paid the.
All right, everyone, strap in, literally, because we're diving into the exciting universe of traffic violations. Our main player, Cole Aaron Summey, is facing, wait for it, a red light run. Classic rookie move. The judge starts reciting a case number so ridiculously long it could double as a Wi-Fi password. Cole, sitting there, probably wishing he'd hit snooze this morning. His defense. He's not happy about getting points for what he considers a tiny slip-up. He's basically saying, if I nearly cause a crash or actually hit someone, the penalty is the same? That doesn't seem right. Meanwhile, the city is all business. Running red lights isn't taken lightly. Fines, points, legalese, you name it. Cole is about to learn that traffic rules don't haggle.
Fine. The officer's here on overtime. He came in once before to testify. He's here again. Mr. Reed, any response to that?
I mean, we're here for the hearing of, the charge is the charge.
Yes, so the city's not willing at this point to alter it. With that in mind, you just want to pay the $120 fine and you wish to have a hearing on this.
if I pay the fine, am I going to get the points and stuff?
Yeah,
like
you're
that?
going to get 2 points.
Well, then, yes, I'd like to continue this.
All right.
I mean, if people can sit in jail and fight their case and have it get dumbed down, all because that the courts don't want to go to trial and they'll just give them a better deal. I don't understand how I can't get at least a warning on this, and I'll never do it again. I've definitely have learned my lesson there, but I don't feel like I should get the points if I came all the way up to the stoplight and I stopped.
Well, we haven't gotten to the facts yet. So I don't know, but right now you have 0 points on your driving record. So this isn't gonna cost you your driver's license. You've had some points in the past, but they've all gone away. So you have 0 points. In fact, even with this on there, it shows 0 points. This carries no points.
It carries points. It's just when they appeal, it doesn't
Oh, hold the
abstract.
points. All right. Okay. I thought it carried 2 points.
It does.
All right. So you're not going to lose your driver's license. You're going to get 2 points on your driving record. You've already paid the $120 fine. So I'll use your bond to pay your fine. The case will be done. But if you wish to have a hearing, the city's ready to go forward.
Yes, I would like a hearing if the
All right, well
charges
then
are
let's
gonna
just go
get
through it.
changed.
Okay. My first witness is Cole Summey.
All right, well, let's have Mr. Ware and Mr. Summey both raise their right hand. Mr. Summey, do you swear or affirm any testimony you're about to give in this matter will be true to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, in a civil infraction, because it's not a crime, you don't have the right not to testify. So the city is calling you as a witness. So would you come up and have a seat in the witness box? Your name is Cole Aaron Summey.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Mr. Reed?
Thank you. Does court need the spelling of his name or is it?
No,
court
we got it. Summey.
And Mr. Summey, you were operating a motor?
Now the judge is giving a quick Michigan traffic law crash course. Big takeaway. Civil infractions aren't criminal. No jail time here. Just a fine and a couple of points. So Cole's dramatic speech about getting punished too harshly. Not quite as terrifying. Enter Officer Dylan Ware, the star of the show, who wrote the ticket and is ready to testify. Cole can't escape this. Civil infractions mean you must take the stand. On the stand, Cole confirms all the standard but important facts: time, place, car, and yep, he ran that red light. The judge double-checks, because in traffic law, whether it was 11:30 a.m. or 11:30 p.m. can apparently be life or death information.
Vehicle within the city of Sturgis on April 27th, 2025, correct?
Mhm.
Is that a yes or no?
Yes.
And you were on Nottawa Road at or near Chicago, meaning US 12, the main intersection there, Nottawa Road, at around 11:35, 11:36 in the morning. Is that correct?
Yes.
And at that time, you came to the red light that was facing your direction,
You said 11:30 in the morning?
11:30 at night.
Oh.
Is that
Oh.
correct?
Yes.
And you were traveling southbound on Nottawa, is that correct?
Yes.
And you came to the intersection of Chicago and Nottawa Road to a red light, is that correct?
Yes.
And you proceeded through that red light before it turned green, is that correct?
Yes, only because I didn't feel any resentment towards the fact that it's 2025, and I wouldn't expect tax dollars to go towards something that could easily tell me that there's no traffic. So I told myself, I made a citizens good to go on that one.
You made a citizens good to go that you're going to disregard the red light because you didn't feel there was any
I didn't
risk.
disregard it. I regarded it and then,
Didn't stop for it,
I stopped.
but didn't wait till it turned green.
Correct.
So you understand that the traffic law requires you not to proceed until the light is green?
Yes, but I feel like that would just be going against what I know is right.
No other questions, people rest.
All right, Mr. Summey, is there anything else you'd like to tell me?
I mean, I just hurt my feelings to think that just because the light didn't turn green, I'm getting charged with disobeying the traffic signal. I didn't disobey it, but I didn't wait for it to tell me I'm good to go.
Okay, I'm not aware of a citizens good to go. This is the busiest the second busiest intersection in Sturgis.
Every night that I get out of work and I go there, I'm sitting there unnecessarily. But like I said,
Now, they did change the law. You can turn left on a red light, excuse me, right on a red light these days. But you can't just blow through it. I don't make the law, and you've essentially acknowledged that you committed it. There is no citizens good to go. You felt like nobody else was coming and you could just go through it.
well, I knew no one else was coming.
All right, well, that ain't what the law says. All right,
Don't you feel like that's a little unconstitutional? It's like something that is just a machine, like clockwork, this thing, and you as a citizen have to sit there. I really doubt our forefathers would be sitting there.
Cole tries a creative approach. He claims to have invented a new rule called citizens good to go. His logic: I looked both ways, saw nobody, so I was safe to proceed. The judge, barely hiding his eye roll, politely reminds Cole that good intentions don't override the law. Red is red. Green is go. No exceptions for aspiring traffic philosophers. Classic showdown. One guy convinced he's rewriting traffic law, and the court sticking firmly to reality. Spoiler: reality almost always wins.
well, maybe so. I don't think it's unconstitutional, and I don't think the Constitution envisions a red light. So you've wasted my time, caused a bunch of overtime for the Sturgis Police Department, so maybe that's some satisfaction.
It is a waste of time, really, but how is it on me?
Well, I find that you're responsible for the violation by your own admission. I'll use your $120 bond to pay the fine. 2 points will go on your record that won't cost your license. My suggestion is stop next time or you get another ticket
I
for
did
this thing.
stop, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Mr. Summey, you're good to go.
Cole's last-ditch argument gets philosophical. Red lights are machines. The Constitution is being violated. The judge, probably hearing this line daily, shuts it down calmly. In the end, Cole pays $120, collects 2 points, and keeps his license. Lesson learned: citizens good to go isn't in the rulebook. Next time, just stop at the red light and save the officer some paperwork. And that's a wrap. Another action-packed day in civil infractions. Courtroom drama doesn't always mean crime. It's often patience, forms, and realizing traffic laws. Well, our traffic laws.